Digital voltage monitor. Electronic protection. 20-volt working voltage, 24-volt surge. E.S.R less than 0.002 ohm. Nickel-plated terminals. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and it helps my headlights. My bass drops even cleaner now. No dislikes, very pleased at this moment. Perfect. If I ever need another one or need to recommend one, this would be my choice. It was a little weird figuring out how to get it charged, but it was my first time installing audio setup by myself. 4 farad checks out. Works like a charm. Do not build a stereo in a car without one of these. Charged it through a resistor and the charge time checked out to 4 farads. Has a great look. Buy with confidence.